Hey guys!
Hi!
So Tig got me a drone for Christmas, and I thought today I would finally try it out and fly it. Now, the drone that I've got is pretty cool because it allows you to practice without actually flying it. I haven't done that, so I'm just going for it. So we're finding a nice secluded place, away from everything, from roads, from people, from anything, any obstructions, and I'm going to give it a go. Got some different features so you can go into novice mode, and that's certainly something I'm going to be using today. Just thought I'd take you guys with me so you can see my first experience with a drone. I've never flown one before, so it's all new to me. The weather has been so bad. We've had so many different storms and everything, and terrible rain, so today it's sunshine, clear skies, so perfect for drone flying. So see you guys in a minute. So we're en route to find a nice spot to fly the drone. I'm excited. I don't know how it's going to turn out. It's a little bit on the windy side, but nothing too crazy. So I'm excited. Looking for an area that's not too populated. I think we might have found one. This is the headset that I've got. I look a little bit like an ant with it on, don't I really? So yeah, just whack it down. I should be able to see the sort of footage from my drone's point of view with these goggles. I'm excited, a little bit nervous, but let's do this.
There's Kate with a headset on. Hi. And there's the drone.
Oh my god guys, that was so much fun. Now with these drones they say like to not touch the propellers after you've flown for a little bit because they get really hot. I'm gonna let it cool down. That was so much fun. It was a little bit scary the first takeoff because this can go up to 90 miles an hour, so I'm like ah! But I've got an app on my phone which is really good, so it tells you sort of safe areas to fly, sort of green, ambers and red zones. So this is a green zone, so it's okay to fly here. But it was really fun. I'm gonna get some more batteries for that at some point so I can go out a bit longer. I can't wait to learn how to fly my drone properly. So after a successful drone flight, we enjoyed a lovely walk through the forest, bumping into some ponies and just taking in the beautiful surroundings. Then we made our way to one of our favourite places, the Pig, where we had a lovely cocktail and enjoyed a nice warm fire. Our final stop was a lovely country pub which did the most delicious roast dinners. I had mine with no meat but extra potatoes, and Tig went for the pork, and oh my god, it was so tasty. Even looking at the picture brings back all those lovely flavours. Perfect end to a wonderful day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.